Hello, my beautiful friends. I am Sway to the 99, and I'm so excited because I'm finally back at Daiso, Japan, which is the kind of equivalent of the Dollar Tree. So I'm excited to be back. So let's jump right into it. And right off the bat, I am seeing a lot of Disney items. Like, check out these little bandanas with Winnie the Pooh. And they also have Ariel in purple and pink and Monsters Inc. I feel like these would be cute little accessories for your pet. And they have these face masks for the kiddos. I don't know who those characters are, but they seem to be all over the store. And let's look down here. They have tons of little more Disney accessories. They have little spoons and forks. Again, these are great little stocking stuffers, or not stocking. You keep saying stocking stuffers. These would be great little fillers for your Easter baskets. Again, great items for $1.50. Like, look at these little mesh card holders. If you are traveling, great little items for your ID and such. So, again, love the accessories here at Daiso Japan. Everything is $1.50, if not marked. Winnie the Pooh. I'm not really sure. Oh, this is a little thank you card. And look at the little pouches with Donald Duck. How cute. Let's see. They have the one with Mickey and more Toy Story. And look at this little mesh card holder. Okay, let's look. They also have tons of party supplies. They have Disney princesses. And here is a sign if you want to see how everything translates over. So again, if it's not marked, it's $1.50, but otherwise everything ranges from $1.50 to up to $15, which honestly I've never really seen anything for $15. Everything is really up to, for the most part, $5 from what I've seen. And tons of little stationery. Again, this is the official Disney merch. I think they have their own contract with Disney because they seem to offer things that I've never seen elsewhere that are specific to Daiso. Let's keep looking. Tons and tons of stationery. So if you are a big planner, definitely would check out Daiso. More Donald Duck. And let's look down here. Disney Princess. I'm not really sure what these are. Oh, it's like a thank you card stationery kit. Pretty cool. And they have with Winnie the Pooh. Tons more stickers. So if you're a sticker fan, oh, look at this one. Little message board. Oh, that's cute. Again, so many cute items. So definitely take your time when you come to Daiso because there's a lot to take in. One of the first things I'm seeing is a lot of little cutesy items, which the store is really known for. They do carry a lot of Disney merchandise. So if you don't really know about Daiso, Daiso does carry a lot of Hello Kitty, as well as licensed Disney items for super cheap. Everything starts at about $1.50. So if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I will link their website down below. So if you guys want to see if you have this store near you, you can check them out. But here is some of the little some of the cute items that I'm seeing so far. Again, lots of little Hello Kitty items. To be honest with you, some of the items I'm not really sure what they are, but just kind of go by the pictures. And the prices are listed directly on the merchandise. So if it doesn't have any tags, that's usually $1.50. And if it does have a yang symbol, usually it goes by what the sign says right there. All right, let's continue on. And let's see. As you can see, they have this cute little organizers with Toy Story. These are more for like pens and pencils. And they have these little stools with the Disney princesses. How cute is that? That is 400 yen, which is about $5, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. If anybody knows. I know there's a sign here somewhere. And let's see what other items we can find. Very exciting. They have tons of little travel bags. These are little cute tote bags for your lunch or just for whatever. And they have these. Look at these. This would actually be cute for Easter. And they have the little panda, little tiger. Very unique. That's what I do like about Daiso, is that their merchandise is very unique to their store. This one says "Chill out at home." Yes, that's my motto lately. And let's see. They have these ones as well. Oh, nice. I like the ones with the sayings. They also have an amazing gardening section, guys. If you are into gardening, I would highly recommend you check them out. Look at this one. It's very kind of farmhousey, like a Japanese farmhouse vibe. They have lots and lots of little planterns. The only thing just to be on the lookout for is not all of them do have drill holes, but however, they do little vases. These are beautiful pieces. And let's see. Let's look over here. Like these, very premium, very upscale. And again, everything starts at $1.50. And let's see. Oh, look at these little steaks. Oh my God, that's so funny. They have Mickey and Minnie, and of course they have the little farmhouse themed steaks as well. Very nice. Always overwhelmed by the store because it's so huge. And look at this watering hose. Looks like an elephant from and Disney princesses. They have these little sketchbooks. Really nice. I think these are like kind of black sheets and you kind of sketch them out. Pretty cool. And then they have Mickey and Minnie. Let's see. Yeah, lots of Disney princesses. So, and then they have this one as well. This is this is like a Buddha type. Very cool. And let's keep looking. Okay, here are the price points again. And look over here, they have these cute little sponges. These are cute animal sponges. Oh, look at the little bear claw. These are giving me kind of like Scrub Daddy vibes. Yeah, very much so, very much so. Oh, those are cute with the little lemon drinks, lemonade. Oh, and again, more Disney. They tend to have a lot of Disney stuff. So, again, if you're a big Disney fan, I would highly recommend you check out the store and look more Disney sponges. I would just say though no, these are not Disney. These are little panda. I will say though is that the Disney sponges tend to be a little flimsy, so you do have to kind of buy multiple. Oh, and look at these cute little bins. These are little Winnie the Pooh. I think these are the ones they've always had. But this one looks new to me. Winnie the Pooh. And, of course, Mickey right here. You can't be left behind. Mickey Mouse. Pretty cute little storage bins if you want to, put your crafting stuff in. Or anything, even if you're like for your closet. And they'd have the little squishy stuffed animals. These are actually, I saw a lot of people buying these, so these are actually really popular. They have these dinosaur with the rainbow things in the back. I forgot what those are called, the skills. I don't know. And more up here. Again, these were really popular. A lot of people were buying these. So, and the little penguin, adorable. All right, they have these here. These are the Easter bunnies. Very cute. And more of the little stuffed animals. And one thing, you guys, I will tell you is that I'm here early. It's about 10:30 and the store is filling up quickly. So I will say, if you want to come to the store, definitely come earlier in the day. Oh my God, should I get this for Maggie? Looks like Maggie. That is so stinking cute. These are adorable. Oh my God, I'm like, maybe I should get one. As a quick reminder, I do have a Dollar Tree video up right now, so I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. Tons of amazing new finds. Won't be disappointed. Okay, and look, they have tons of more cutesy things. So this store is definitely known for the cutesy stuff. These are little hand sanitizers. Just look at these for $1.50. Very cute. And if you are looking for just unique pieces for like not stocking stuffers, for Easter baskets, definitely come here because they do have a lot of cute little items. So I would definitely say come and check them out because a lot of this stuff you're not going to find in other stores. So I would definitely say if you want to stand out and give stuff that's not readily available, I would definitely come here. And they have tons of stickers and pens, the little cutesy pens. I know my bestie is obsessed with pens, so I may grab her a couple of these and send them back as an early birthday gift. And look at these. These are so stinking cute. I haven't been to the store in so long. It's just been a while. And I decided to come back, since I wanted to just kind of see what they had. I know that during the summertime, they do tend to bring out more seasonal, like more, not Easter, I'm sorry, Disney items. So I'll definitely be back soon to show you guys everything that's new. And look at these. These are cute little keychains. Again, very unique. Nothing like you would see at most other stores. So I definitely have to give it to Daiso that they are, that they take the medal for the cuteness stuff. And they actually do also carry makeup. So that is one thing that I was really surprised about. Not surprised about, but something cool to point out is this: they do carry a lot of makeup. There's a lot more that I can't quite show because it's pretty busy now. However, I did want to just kind of give you a little glimpse of what they do have, and of course, they have tons of little accessories for the kitchen, for the home. Just little gadgets, things that you're like, oh, that's pretty interesting. So again, and these are pretty affordable. Everything, I think for the most part, everything is about under $5. But if they don't have tags, they're $1.50. And look at these again, the cute little aprons for kids. If they want to get involved in the kitchen, great little starter kit. Again, it could be great little accessories for their Easter baskets. I will say I'm not finding a lot of new Disney as I was hoping for, but again, it could just be that it's not because it's not summertime quite yet. But there's still tons of cute little items to check out, like these little candy molds or chocolate molds, or even if you want to use them as ice cream trays. And they have these little cookie cutters as well. So yeah, lots to explore here at Daiso, Japan, aka the Dollar Tree of Japan. All right, guys. Well, I'm just going to kind of head out now because it is getting crowded. But I did want to just let you guys know that I will be back tomorrow for another 99-cent only store walkthrough. So I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. And I will look forward to seeing you very soon. Talk to you later. Bye.